Hey everybody, so thank you so much for tuning into my channel and watching this video. I will be showing you the goodies that you will be getting in your Luvme hair wig box. So they do send you about 5 headbands and they are all gorgeous headbands with different unique looks, and I loved all of them that they gave to me, and I will be trying them on in the video so you guys will be able to see exactly what they look like on. Also, they sent me this other cute little white bag that featured an additional pink satin headband. They also sent me some bobby pins and a edge scarf, which is helpful to tie down your edges because this is a headband wig, which you will need some of your edges out. And then they also sent me a wig cap along with tweezers and some additional Velcro straps. Now this unit, it is, I believe, their 18-inch ombre jerry curl wig, and it does come with a headband already attached. So this is a very convenient, easy to throw on wig. It does have 3 combs in the front and 1 comb in the back, and the elastic strap, and it is adjustable and very, very comfortable. I went ahead and defined this wig off camera, and I will put the products listed in the description box below if you guys want me to make a video on how I was able to define this wig. Please leave a heart comment down below and let me know. And as you can see, like I was pointing out, I do have my edges already done. So what I'm doing right here is I'm just putting the wig on. I did have a little bit of trouble trying to attach the Velcro in the back, but it didn't take too long to figure it out. Initially, I was very, very impressed just with the quality of the hair, and I believe that it looks really, really realistic. It does match, I believe, a 4B, 4C hair texture, and I do think looser hair textures can get away with it. That is the first headband that I'm trying on, the black and white polka dot, which I thought was absolutely adorable. The second wig I tried on was the purple and yellow headband. It looks a little bit more blue on camera, but it's actually purple, and I thought that was so cute. And here I'm just showing you guys what it looks like. Of course, with a headband wig, you guys can do different styles. You can do a half up, half down. You can pull it all the way in the back for a ponytail, or you can just wear it the way that it comes originally. And then here is the gray headband. This particular headband I thought was so cute because it had gold stars sprinkled throughout, and I said, oh my god, that is so cute. And it's like a velvet material. It was one of my favorites out of the headbands that they sent to me. And then this one here is a satin brown nude color headband, and oh my gosh guys, this headband was so cute. It had like pearls on it, and I think out of all of the headbands that they sent to me, this one was my favorite. I felt like it could go with a lot of different outfit choices. It was just a very nice neutral color. Here I am just showing you how realistic this hair look. I mean, you guys cannot tell me that this hair is not growing out of my scalp. It looks absolutely realistic, unbelievably real. Luvme Hair really knows how to make a convincingly real looking wig, and I have to give them their props on that. And then here is the last wig that I am trying on. It's the white one. Of course, it's really cute and I loved it a lot. And I thank Luvme Hair so much for sponsoring this video. If you guys made it this far in the video, please don't forget to leave a comment down below, a thumbs up, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye. This is what I have for the Luvme headband wig in the ombre color, which I think is really cute. Of course, definitely check it out. I will put links down below for you guys. Definitely go ahead and follow Luvme Hair on all of their social media handles, which I will also have down in my description box. And if you made it this far in the video, please go ahead and leave a thumbs up and a comment down below, and subscribe if you haven't already. And I thank you guys so much for watching my video, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.